So let me show you my proof of address that I use to verify Shopify payments, to verify a Stripe account. Okay. So as you can see here, this is my name and this is my UK address. Okay. As you can see, this document doesn't have expiry date. It does not expire. I created a lot of Shopify payment accounts, Stripe accounts, hundreds of them for people, not for just me, because I do this as a business. I activate Shopify payments for people using this same document. It doesn't expire, and this document is recognized as a governmental issued letter. This is from the government. This is from UK government. It's not photoshopped. It's not something that you can go out there and photoshop, because this is actually in the system. This paper is in government. It is in UK government system. If you run checks, I'm not gonna show you how to run those checks, but if you run checks, you will be able to find all this information written here. They are available on UK websites and they are legit, they are truthful. So just by having this, all your troubles of not having a payment gateway are over, just by obtaining this document. And if you follow my simple strategy, you will be able to get this same document and you can open your bank accounts, Stripe accounts, Shopify payments, whatever it is that you want to do. If you want the same type of paper to verify your Shopify payments or Stripe account or get whatever you want, maybe bank accounts in UK, I made a step-by-step guide which I put in the description or in the comment section. Just click on the link and download the step-by-step that I made for you. It has every information that you need to be in order for you to come by this document, which you can use to verify any account that you want to verify. So go ahead and click on the link in the description and download my course, and it will help you out, and I assure you it is worth your time.